Good day everybody, thank you for joining us today again. We are talking today about the MAXHUB PS Kit. That is the newest kit that has been certified by Microsoft. It is a full bundle kit that includes your compute, your touch panel for on the table, your camera, and then a mic speakerphone for on your boardroom table as well. As you can see, I'm standing here next to one of these very nice MAXHUB flight cases, and the whole kit actually fits into one of these kits. So if there's any resellers that are watching this video, you can actually pre-order your demo kit directly in a flight case like this that you can carry with you and show all of your end users. If we look at the first item in the box, your touch controller that goes on the table. These touch controllers are connected via Cat 5e cable back to the compute, which sits behind your screen on your rack, and you've got a maximum length of 50 meters. You can also add another 2 of these controllers into your solution should you need it for a larger boardroom. Let me just take this piece off. As you can see, everything's neatly packed away, and you've got foam in between, and this little bad boy in my hand here is the UCP30, which won Best of Show Awards at ISE 2025. It is a 10 times optical zoom PTZ camera, and the nice thing about this camera is you can run it either via USB or HDMI, power it via PoE, or power it via its own power supply. Next portion of it is obviously the compute unit that will either sit behind your screen or in your rack, and again these two are interconnected via Cat 5e cable to communicate with each other. This is a 12th gen Intel i5 processor that is built into this unit, and I've had one running for a couple of months now upside down, and I can tell you there's no fan noise coming from this compute unit compared to some of our other competitors. And then the last part of the kit is the BM45. As I said earlier, the BM45, you can run an additional 5 of these in the solution, and you daisy chain them via Cat cable, one to another, to actually extend your mic reach. One of these cover a radius of 4 meters, so an 8 meter reach, 360 degrees. I would suggest 2-3 in a room is definitely more than enough to get yourself covered. And that is in essence the kit in its basics. Later on we will talk about each component separately, and I will show you how everything looks together in a demo environment.